This is Arshad, and I'm the founder of Amrita Health Foods. We introduced these protein oats about a month and a half ago, and the reviews have been amazing. People have been talking about how it's super creamy, it takes away the extra effort of putting in proteins and superfoods into your oats every morning, and also the cost. You know, it's under $2 a breakfast. And what is in these things? So it's obviously rolled oats, brown rice protein powder, chia seeds. We add in little pieces of dates to give it a natural sweetness. And then it's got the secret ingredient, which is coconut milk powder, which gives it a very milk-like consistency. A little bit of coconut sugar. A couple of these have maple sugar. A little bit of sea salt. And that's about it. So these are all put together in our dedicated facility. So no peanuts, no tree nuts, no gluten, no soy, no dairy, no eggs. And that gives it a really clean allergen profile, but just a hearty breakfast. So how do I prepare it? We've got 4 different flavors. So what I love to do is typically, this is about a serving. Take about the equal amount of water. Shake it up. And that's what I put in the fridge. Next morning, all this water is soaked up by the oats. And this becomes really nice, thick. And then I top it up with some fresh fruits. So a little bit of seed butter or nut butter. And it's an amazing filling breakfast that I can just basically scoop it right out of the jar, or if it's a cold day, I'll put it in a bowl and I'll heat it up. So give this a shot. It's such an easy way to get your all your breakfast ingredients in, including 15 grams of protein per serving. This comes in 4 different flavors. So you got the coconut, you got the blueberry with hemp, you've got chocolate here, and obviously apple cinnamon. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. And you'll hear in this video from some of the people who've tried it and what they have thought about it.
Hello. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Amrita's oatmeal that I just got in the mail from them the other day. I was so excited when I found out that they had oatmeal because their protein bars and their bites were so yummy, and I was so excited when I found out they had oatmeal, and it did not let me down. I just had it this morning and it was awesome. I got the blueberry hemp flavor. It had 15 grams of protein, and I think will keep me full for a really long time. So definitely go check out their oatmeal. It's super yummy and a really great option.